Hi, in this project we are going to see the demonstration of soil moisture level with alert system. So we have a base sheet and a green grass mat, 2 wooden blocks to support the soil moisture driver board, the buzzer driver board, and here is the soil moisture sensor. And then we get 2 boxes along with the kit. So you could take samples of dry soil and a wet soil like this. So this is dry soil for demonstration. This is wet soil for demonstration. So I place it here. And it is time to connect the 9-volt battery. Make sure you connect the 9-volt battery to the proper terminals. Even one wrong connection will short circuit the whole project. So let us connect the 9-volt battery. Before that, let me connect the soil moisture sensor to the wet soil. I have connected the battery. Now place the battery or stick the battery to the wooden block firmly. As you can see, there is no sound because the soil moisture sensor has sensed the soil moisture content. Now let us remove the soil. Upon removing, you can immediately see that the sound starts indicating that the sensor is dry. So whenever the sensor is in dry soil, you could see the alert, and once the sensor is in wet soil, you could see the alert has stopped. So this is how the soil moisture sensor works. Thank you for watching.